One of the last steps, we're taking it from a 3 goalie to a 1 goalie. So what I did is I brought one of the men back and made a base about the same size as the body part. Now the only problem I had when I got there to put them on was it was a touch wider. So it was a little bit too long for the screw. So what I just did now is I found this 3/8 inch flat type of drill in my little collection here. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking this down just a little bit, because if you go too far, there's not a lot of distance between here and the hole. So I have to go down just a little bit on each side. That'll let the nut sink in, and it's pretty snug. You have to push it in pretty good so it kind of holds it. And then the head can go down in just enough to make it work. So this is the last stage. I think the last pieces I need for the foosball table. Doesn't sound very exciting, but taking it from 3 to 2 or 3 to 1 is very important. It is important to me. I like the feel of that better. And to do that, I needed these 4 pieces. Turned out I was looking around the shop and I found some red cedar. Drill's really nice, really smooth. You get a really nice drill. You can see the shavings come off real clean. So they're going to be really good. And they're already oiled. I already oiled them this morning. Okay, let's finish our little drills, and then tomorrow night we finish putting it together.